In the chaos of an emergency, every second is a lifeline. You need a solution you can trust. You need Handtevy Mobile. Customized to align to your hospital's formulary, Handtevy delivers instant access to medication dosing, equipment sizing, infusion guides, and more, guiding your team through life-saving pediatric care. Need to reference your order sets? With Handtevy, you can instantly access medications filtered by algorithm, complete with the exact volume to administer, not just the dose. Handtevy's real-time clinical checklists are more than guidance. They're your safety standard. From sepsis algorithms to difficult airway management, every critical step is supported with evidence-based precision when timing and accuracy matter most. Equip your team with Handtevy's industry-leading CPR metronome and audio prompts.
Ventilate. Ventilate.
Tools proven to improve ROSC rates and enhance your cardiac arrest outcomes. Handtevy's intuitive admin portal empowers hospital leaders to manage and maintain clinical standards, push updates instantly to every clinician, manage your team's access, and deploy the tools your department needs. Keep care standardized and teams aligned hospital-wide. Beyond core clinical tools, Handtevy offers an expanded lineup of advanced features: AI-driven smart quizzes for competency validation, on-demand training libraries, contact manager, notification center, and more. Organizations can curate and customize the app experience to support their teams, workflows, and priorities. We're more than software. We're your education partner. Our courses are designed to take your entire team to the next level, building confidence and clinical excellence in pediatric emergency care. Handtevy stands apart with unmatched clinical oversight and expert guidance. From customization to implementation, Handtevy is not just an app. We deliver a comprehensive approach through expert-led education, tailored solutions, ongoing support, and streamlined workflows to ensure your team thrives with Handtevy. The results? They speak for themselves. We help you save more lives. It's time for a smarter, faster, and safer approach to emergency care. It's time for Handtevy Mobile.